Now let's hear how she sound. $21,000 K. It's got Ducati quick shifter and traction control as well. Very nice looking. The bike runs very rich. That's the belt. Unlike what people think, this bike runs very cool. Yeah, it's summer in Australia right now, and you know, it's not very hot between my legs. It's cool running and it's good on fuel. Yeah, one tank I get 200 Ks. You know, very light, very nimble, handles really well. And this bike is very light, very light, very fast, torquey. It will suit someone who just mainly riding around the city and yeah, go to the twisty often. Someone who like a V-twin sound, it's good for that.